So I am Richa Patak. I am a digital marketing trainer, mentor, coach for last 8 years and sharing my strategies with everyone in the industry. I have completed 45 plus startup consultations, 3,000 trainings, 20 plus corporate projects, and so on. I also love writing and I have my own blog, SEM Updates. You can go check it out and you will learn a lot of information from there about digital marketing. This session, we will learn what is digital marketing, who should learn digital marketing, types of digital marketing, what is the job scope there, why you should do it, how it will help you build a good career, and we also have some good surprises for you at the end. So just stay tuned. Let me give you a introduction on how digital marketing can help you. So basically, digital marketing can help you in all the dimensions. If you're looking for a job with digital marketing, you can get that. You can start up your own business. You can do freelancing. You can share your knowledge with the people online. You can make yourself a good brand, a influencer, a independent consultant or coach. You can showcase your work. You can also become an affiliate marketer and generate a lot of second source of income. With digital marketing give you a power to unlock a global platform, because a lot of countries look for good people, good resources across the globe. You get a chance with digital marketing to showcase your work at the international platform. It enables you to connect with a lot of people, and in my 8 years of experience I think I've connected 50,000 plus people. I never look for work. I never go to people for a job or for any kind of opportunity. They find me, they come to me, they ask me questions, they request me to work with them, and that can be done only when you have a good understanding of what is digital marketing and how exactly it works, how you can utilize digital marketing for your benefit. Okay, so that is why digital marketing can actually help you build a career. Doesn't matter uh, what objective you have, digital marketing has a significant role in all perspective, all dimensions in your career, in your life. So even if you are a technical person, non-technical person, fresher, any kind of educational background you have, you are good to learn digital marketing. So, if you ask me that, are you a good fit? Can you do digital marketing? Yes, you can do digital marketing because it does not need you to be from a specific background. You do not need to understand the fundamentals or the technicalities or anything else. You can be a successful digital marketer as long as you have certain set of skills. So when I'm saying certain set of skills, I'm not talking about you should have knowledge of HTML, WordPress, or any other technical tools. I am saying that if you want to become a successful digital marketer, you have to have some intellect qualities, some soft skills, because that is the foundation for digital marketing. To learn concept, SEO, social media, and everything else, you must have a creative mind. You must have a growth mindset. You have to have a very proactive approach, because digital marketing is not something people will tell you step by step, because we are professionals. We do not uh, want to spoon feed everyone. You have to be proactive. You have to be very creative. You have to be a good communicator. You have to be a risk taker, because digital marketing landscape is changing with great pace. We were doing marketing, now we are doing digital marketing. With that, a lot of businesses are going digital, and this enables you to learn more, to take more risk, to be experimental, to be more innovative. Digital marketing requires to be a good risk taker, a creative person. So if you have these skills, you are good to go. Digital marketing is really adventurous. Every single day you see something different, something new coming up. Google is making changes, everything is changing with a great pace. You see a lot of new tools coming up in the market. You see a lot of people coming in the market with different requirements, and you can just align your passion with digital marketing with with a lot of job positions available in the market. So with that, I am keeping a Q&A session at the end. So if you stuck somewhere, if you have any questions, you can just keep it in your mind or leave us a comment. Once we will walk through all this, we will take all your questions. Okay. All right. So with that, I just want to give you a brief introduction on what is digital marketing. So what basically digital marketing is? Previously, you were saying that there is a pamphlet in the newspaper. You see hoardings, banners, billboard in all the different mobile SMS. This is marketing. Now, why digital marketing came into existence? Like there was marketing channels, like radios there, billboard is there, pamphlets are there, stickers are there. So there was a lot of things already there in the market. Why digital marketing came into existence and why businesses are looking for digital marketing? So, when you were doing the TV ads, radio ads, you were investing money on billboards. The problem was, if you are targeting the people having high income segment, like people earning 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, can afford your product. But with billboard, your ad was visible to everyone from all the age group, for all the segment, from all the income level. With that, you were wasting a lot of money. The client is wasting a lot of money on advertising. People wasting a lot of money on the audience which is not relevant. They are not interested in your product or services. That is why digital marketing came into existence. With digital marketing, you can promote your product, services, or yourself on social media, on different channels, to the right audience at the right time with a limited budget. You don't need to spend million billion dollars. You can start with very minimal amount, whatever you have. So that is why digital marketing is really important. You can become a startup owner. You can start your small business with the small budget. You can start creating. You can build yourself as a content creator. You can start your career as a YouTuber. A lot of scope is there and lot of money is there in digital marketing. If people feel that there is no scope or we cannot see something happening in the market, no, it's not. Even in the COVID scenario, highest demanding job was digital marketing. Why? Because a lot of businesses got the physical appearance, they were doing the marketing. Now, because of the COVID, everyone is at home. People are spending more than 4 to 5 hours every day with their mobile phone on social media. So, if your business is digital, if you have the right audience, if you're doing the advertising, you can catch those people. You can increase your revenue. You can build your business. You can get good number of clients who pay you well for that for your product and services. That is why digital marketing is booming these days. Every business needs a digital marketer to even for plumbing services or local services or local businesses are looking for someone who can help them promote their product in the local area. If you see a lot of searches increase, medicine near me or grocery near me, home deliveries, WhatsApp for business started, Google My Business started, and they are also offering advertisement as well as they are offering a lot of good services. Businesses are focusing on their expertise, like what they are good at, what they offering. But marketing is equally important because they need to talk about why they are good, what they are good at, what offers they have. And you being a digital marketer can be a great help to them. For a freelancer, you can earn up to 8 to 10,000 for particular very small project like a social media post. If you are making a social media post for a client, you can easily make 8 to 10,000 on the monthly basis with investing, I think, 2 to 3 hours a day. That's all. So that is why digital marketing job is in demand in the market. If you search for internship jobs, you will see a lot of, like, check the Naukri, LinkedIn jobs, shine.com, Times job. You will find that maybe technical jobs are not there for fresher. No one is hiring, or maybe because of the COVID, a lot of people laid off. But digital marketing business is not impacted. It's increasing gradually. Every business from small to large, everyone is looking for a digital marketer who can help them with social media, email marketing, content marketing, and website designing, development, and lot of scope is there. Okay. uh, so with that, I just want to show you why digital marketing is required. Because for all the businesses, they have a limited budget. They want to spend money, and they want to spend money effectively. So if you are good at digital marketing, you can help your clients, you can help startup, you can help different businesses to invest very less amount, generate more business, reach more audience, target right people. You can measure your success every day. If if you are promoting your ads and product and services, for example, on billboards or maybe on TV or on the radio, there is no measurement. There is no ROI analysis, like return on investment, how much you spend and how much you receive. You cannot measure if you are doing the traditional advertising. If you are doing digital marketing, you can see how much you spend, how much clients you are receiving, what is the cost of it, what is the duration of it, and everything is measurable. That is why client want digital marketing, because they have limited budget, they have different audience, they want to reach a lot of people, and they want to target people in particular segment who are actually interested in their product and services. It's not a sales. There is a big difference between sales and marketing. Sales, you have product, you are selling your product. But in marketing, you understand people, what they are looking for, where they are looking for. You have that product and you find the right people to give them your product and services. This is highly intended because they're looking for your product and services. They reach out to you and they buy your product. That is how you help business owners, you help startup owners, you help other content people who are offering some services. You can tell them that I am a digital marketer, I can help you reach the right people. That is why digital marketing can be a turning point in your career. Even if you are looking for a full-time career in finance, full-time career in technical, full-time career as a product analyst, still you should learn digital marketing for a second source of income, for your creativity, for promoting your own business, to make yourself a brand, to generate more job for yourself also. If you are digital marketer and you have good knowledge of it, you will never be jobless. That is for sure, because in 8 years, I have trained 3,000 people. All the people I have trained, they are working in Nestle, TVF, and big firms, and they are really enjoying what they do. That is the reason, because they got a good mentor. I am not the person who give you a lot of theoretical knowledge, this and that, blah blah blah. I just want to make you a job ready person. Like, this is the project, this is what you receive, this is what you deliver to the client, these are the activity you do it, how you do it, what all the tools are there, giving the right description, demo of the tool. So what actually happens in the company when you have a project, things you perform on the project, that is what I do for you. All right. So that is digital marketing. If you see, you have 7 billion people online. You have 5 billion mobile users. You have 4 billion internet users. You have 3 billion social media active users. So if you have some app idea, maybe you have some event idea, or you have hackathon idea, or you have very cool business plan, you need a right marketing, because doesn't matter how good you are, if you do not able to market yourself, if you do not able to show your actual potential to the people, people will not understand how good you are at something. So digital marketing give you that competitive advantage, which make you industry ready, which make you stand ahead from your competitor. So with technical knowledge, with finance knowledge, with any other knowledge, with business knowledge, you must have a marketing knowledge. Like if you are from a technical background, your highest position can be a CTO. But if you are a marketer, you can run a company. Literally, you can run a company. You can, you will not feel anything less. You will not look for insecurities in job, or what will happen if something comes up, or a company laid off to some employees. If you have some good digital marketing skill, you still be surviving in any kind of situation. And the beautiful part is digital marketing makes you ready to work from any location. It's a remote work. You can work from island, you can work from wherever you are, your home cities, your village, your farms. If you have a good internet connection, if you have a laptop, you can run a business. You can make yourself independent. You can make yourself financially independent by learning digital marketing, by building your knowledge in digital marketing. You and the beautiful part is it has a lot of streams. It has a different kind of streams which align with any of your interest. You don't like, I don't have a knowledge of technical, or I'm not interested in technical. You have the alternative. If you're a creative person, if you're innovative, if you're a risk taker, if you're business, if you're finance, everyone has a good scope in digital marketing. I will show you what kind of opportunities you will get. So you can become a SEO, search engine optimizer. You can become a social media marketer. You can become an advertiser. You can become a content writer. You can become a marketing manager, email marketer. If you love education, you can become a trainer. If you want to be independent, you can become a freelancer. If you have good experience with companies and businesses, or inclined towards growth, you can become a growth hacker. If you are a very creative person, you can become a YouTuber and monetize your channel and earn money with digital marketing. You will get a good knowledge of how you make the videos, how you use social media, how you build your career as a independent person. You can also become an affiliate marketer. If you see, there is a lot of people earning a good money with affiliate marketing with YouTube. They are using multiple channels to generate sustainable income, and using those income to build their own skills. So investing in yourself is a best investment. If you have some money, if you saved something for some certification, invest money on yourself. Invest money building a skill which will help you in future. So digital marketing will definitely help you in future. It gives you a good creative revive. So even if you have a job, or if you don't have a job, if you are a fresher, or if you are a trained person, you should have a good knowledge of digital marketing to make yourself ready for the industry, to make yourself ready for any market situation. Whatever comes, whatever goes, your skill gonna be with you always. In any situation, pandemic comes and goes, some financial crisis came to the country, but if you have digital marketing, you can target other countries, you can find projects from other countries, UK, US, Australia. Digital marketing give you a chance, and I am here to guide you to find the clients, from where you find the clients, how you get it, what profiles are required, what skills are required, what you do for the client, how you create proposal, how you tackle your client requirements, how you get some projects as a freelancer or as a part of the company, what makes you job ready, what tools are required in the company. So everything will be taught to you by me personally, and you will definitely enjoy everything. With that, uh, categories of digital marketing. So if you are not interested in YouTuber, to become a YouTuber, if you are not interested in social media, there is different range of activities you can do and pick your career as per your passion. If you are interested if you're interested in writing, you can become a content writer, you can become an email marketer. If you are interested in social media, you really love flashy life, fancy content, you can become an influencer marketer, you can become a content creator, video creator, designer for other professionals, other companies. There is a wide range of, like, in the influencer marketing. So influencer marketing is a channel where you connect with the influencers who has good number of following, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. You connect those influencer in your niche. If you have a marketing product, you connect with the marketing influencer. If you have technical product, you connect with the technical influencer. If you have a beauty product, you connect with the beauty influencer. You collaborate with the brand, you ask them to promote your product and services, and you get a huge response reach. You Because those are the people who had good followings, people listen to them, people hear them out, people see their recommendations. So if you have good influencer marketing platform and good networking, you can definitely bring a lot of business for any of your client who will you work with. If you have a good content writing skill, amazing content required in the market. A lot every day. I got requests for content marketer, good content writer, good copywriters, and people really need. If you have amazing writing skills, you can build your career as a content marketer, creating case studies, white paper, web page content, articles, blogs, social media content, carousel content, video content. So content is required in the market. If you have good knowledge of it, if you have good understanding of it, content marketing can be a good turning point for your career. If you are creative person and if you really enjoy social media, you spend 2 3 hours on social media, you can make money with that. You can create content for people, you can share their content, you can generate followers, you can generate engagement. With daily 15 20 minutes, you can actually generate good number of followers for your client, and client can pay you for that. And you can get social media clients on social media itself. If you are sharing good knowledge, people see you, people find it interesting, they will reach out to you, they want to learn from you, and sometimes they give you the project to take care of it. So if you want to see the example of social media, you can check my Instagram account, richapathak.digital. You will understand what I'm talking about, because I create good content. People find my content useful. They sometimes ask me to teach them how to create the content, and sometimes they give me the project to create the content for the companies. So this will give you a good understanding. It's one example. Social media also contains uh, Social media also contains all Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, Quora, Reddit. Multiple channels are there, and 3 billion people are active over there. So it's a good channel to generate a lot of business, to generate a lot of money, revenue, job opportunity, clients, leads, and so much more. Okay. And with PPC, you can do advertising, search engine marketing, social media marketing, viral marketing, mobile app marketing. So according to your interest, you can pick your niche. All right. So there is a great opportunity. It's open market for you now. Yeah, open for the questions. Come on, ask questions. How target right audience through digital marketing. Target right audience through digital marketing can be done because social media like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Google, all the ads give you opportunity to find your audience, their income level, their parental status, their age group, their demographics, their interests, their be online behavior. Everything is there. Based on that, you can target your right audience. If you are offering some product for the kids, like you have an application like Byju's, you can target the parental people who are into some demographic. If you want to target India, or you want to target top 12 cities in India, that can be done with paid campaigns or advertisement on social media.